Hi, today we're going to build a surgical type mask that hopefully will help you if you can't find masks in the store. We're going to start off with number 4 coffee filters. There's going to be an inside filter and an outside filter. We'll start with the inside filter. Take a piece of cotton from a t-shirt, and what you're going to do is rip it rather than cut it. What that does is it creates a roll on where you've ripped it. The same thing, do it on another rip. Like so. Now you have a piece of t-shirt that rolls up kind of like a tube. This should be 4.5 inches long. And will be staple gunned to the inside of the inside cone. Staple it so that the sharp parts are on the outside, and then you have this piece of t-shirt stapled on the inside of the cone. Now on the second cone, you're going to take from aluminum foil a piece off the cutting edge. So again, you want 4.5 inches cut off and straightened out. When you feel that, one side will be a little sharper than the other side. With some duct tape, place the metal with the sharp side down, like so, on the duct tape. Cut the duct tape with some scissors so that you have a narrow strip. This is going on the outside of the outside cone. You want the top edge of the strip not to go beyond the top edge of the cone, but as close as possible to it, like so. This part will be bent around your nose when we're finished. Now the first cone that's going inside the second cone needs to be trimmed around the section that is too wide. That way it'll fit nicer inside. The t-shirt part and the metal part should be both on the same side, like so. then both of the cones can now be trimmed to match the top edge of the tape. We're almost done. Now we need a couple of elastic bands. One placed here. And stapled on. If you want, you can also give it another staple just for security. The other side, same thing. And that's partly why we want two cones. It gives it a little bit more security as far as ripping goes. The bottom of the outside cone can be trimmed a little bit. And we're done. Now when you place this on your face, the cotton on the inside is mainly to keep from extra air entering inside the cone. Pressing the metal around your nose and then placing the bands around your ears. Adjust it a little. Squeeze here so that no air is going to enter underneath the mask. And there you go. Done.